Hayeng pangthokkadouriba ani shuba tangkak ki 19 shuba Lok Sabha meekhal ga mari leinana Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency gi manung chanba Jiribam AC gi Oina Mathou Tougadaba polling personal sing Masa-Masa gi polling station sing da ngasi district asigi district election officer Krishna Kumar na Lamthakhre Jiribam gi chingdong lekai da leiba DC office complex gi polling personal sing Lamthakhre ba aduga mari leinana district election officer Krishna Kumar na hai ngasi Lamthakhre polling personal sing ase micro observer state amasung central force ke personal sing ga loinana masa-masa ke polling station sing da chatkibani polling officials sing asina security personal sing ga mating pangnaduna meekhal ase niyom chumna amade ingna chikna pangthokna ba hotnagani Hayeng pangthokkadouriba Lok Sabha meekhal asiga mari leinana Jiribam assembly constituency gi oina polling station nifumathoida miyamna bot thadanagani masida model polling station banga nupi khaktana polling personnel oigadaba polling station nipan amade special polling station ama yauri polling station nifumathoida bot thadagadaba apunba voter masingna lising kontra chanipan sukna mapan ne masida nupa voter na lising tara mga chatruk humpu aduga nupi voter na lising tara mga chama nifunipan amade transgender voter na amane Bot thadagadoriba polling station nifu mathoi asida state force ke personal chani amadi central armed police force ke company mangana ngak senbagi thabak chathagani polling station nifu mathoi asigi manungda polling station tara mangana critical tara humdoina vulnerable amadi tara humdoina normal polling station ni haina Krishna Kumar na makata na phongdokhe
We are going to open strong room for the lane, and also we are going to open the strong room of special polling station. Along with these two strong rooms, we are also opening the strong room for the reserve EVMs, which is also in number 2 numbers, because one is for the IDP, another one for the general. So now we are proceeding for the opening of strong room.